Hi everyone, please join me, and today you will see how to crochet cute flowers. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. 169 meters in 50 grams. You can choose any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. Let's crochet the flower. Make a chain of 6. I will begin from the foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Begin the first round, make a chain, make 12 single crochet. 1. While making my single crochet, I will show you how to remove the yarn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. To complete this round, I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My first round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. Make a chain and pull up the working loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop. 1. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop. Then pull through, make a chain. My puff stitch is ready. It consists of 3 strings. Let's crochet the next one. Make chain of 2. And let's repeat the puff stitch. 1. Let's crochet the second string. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop. 2, 3. Then pull through all loops on the hook. So my second puff stitch is ready. Chain of 2, yarn over the hook. Let's repeat one more time. 1, 2, 3, pull through, make a chain of 2 and make puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, pull through 2 loops. Here what I have. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round with me. This is round 2. Insert the hook into the chain stitch on the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. My round 2 is ready. Let's crochet round 3. Insert the hook into the chain space, make a slip stitch, chain, and single crochet into the same chain space. Chain of 2, double crochet. I did single crochet and chain of 2. 1, 2, 3. And double crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, and double crochet into the next chain space. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Chain of 3 and double crochet. Chain of 3 and double crochet. I'm about to complete this round. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch at the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. Let's crochet the next round. It is going to be a round of 3D petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch. Turn the work. Make single crochet into the chain space. 1. Then half double crochet and 7 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continue. Turn the work to the front side. So I'm going to work with this stitch. I'm making double crochet around this stitch. So I'm going to work with double crochet stitches in the lower row. Make 6 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the hook into the top of the stitch. Make a slip stitch. I already did the slip stitch into this. So my first 3D petal is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. And let's repeat one more time. Make chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the top, make a slip stitch. Turn the work and work into the chain space. Make single crochet, half double crochet, and 7 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn the work to the front side and work with double crochet. Make 6 double crochet around the stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Insert the hook into the stitch that I did a slip stitch into. Make a slip stitch. Pull a little bit. I have done 2 petals. Let's crochet the third one, and I will start and you will continue with your own. For the next petal, make chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch, turn the work. Work with single crochet, half double crochet, and so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round and the flower. I chained the last chain space. I chained the last one. And now I show you how to crochet the last petal. Insert the hook into the chain stitch that I already did stitch into. Make a slip stitch. Turn the work. Make single crochet, half double crochet, and 7 double crochet stitches, and so on. Then it should work in the same way, and I show you how to complete this petal. I'm done all my stitches, and right now I show you how to complete it. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. It was chain stitch on the beginning of this round. Grab the yarn, pull it through. To secure the yarn by making a chain, I have already cut off my yarn. You should remove the yarn along the stitches. I just need to straighten up my petals. Let's look at the back side. So I'm going to remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side. So that's it, my cute flower is ready. Here how it looks in two colors. Also, you can use the wool yarn for this flower to create the winter project or autumn project. It could be perfect for decoration, big project, or it could be part of laces. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. For this flower I chose two colors of yarn. Here how it looks. And use your imagination to be creativity and create your own unusual project. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and bye!